My name is Alexander Kuehn, and I've been with thyssenkrupp, Presta and Liechtenstein since 2002. I work in IT, and there, above all, I'm responsible for questions concerning product lifecycle management. Our current PLM system has been in use for more than 20 years, and regularly more than 2,500 users work with the system. Over time, we have noticed that the requirements that are put forward to the system had become more and more difficult to implement. And additionally, the maker of our current PLM system wanted to discontinue support for this system in the foreseeable future. All of that motivated us to start thinking about a new solution in PLM. For our future PLM solution, we decided on Siemens products, and we were supported by PROSTEP in selecting the system. This support was highly systematic and professional and helped us an awful lot to accomplish this phase successfully. In the meantime, the implementation phase for our new PLM system has been started, and we're focusing on replacing the current system and our current system landscape. We're focusing on requirement management and CAD data processing. Until later on, we'll talk about data and product structure and part lists. Quite generally, it's very important that with our future PLM solution, we can offer our users a solution that is ready for the future, that will accompany them in challenges for their workplace with success. Best wishes from Liechtenstein to the Insight Days to Darmstadt.